21st सेंचुरी के भारत में द चिप्स आर नेवर डाउन और सिर्फ इतना ही नहीं है, आज का भारत दुनिया को भरोसा देता है, व्हेन द चिप्स आर डाउन you can bet on India.
From smartphones to medical devices and artificial intelligence, semiconductors are fueling a revolution. India has recognized its potential and is poised to become a global hub for semiconductor manufacturing. Under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, India has unveiled an ambitious roadmap to position itself at the forefront of this vital industry. India's journey to becoming a semiconductor powerhouse took a decisive step with the launch of the India Semiconductor Mission. This initiative aims to build a robust ecosystem for semiconductor and display manufacturing, driving growth in key areas such as silicon semiconductor fabs, display fabs, compound semiconductors, sensors and semiconductor packaging. The ISM seeks to establish a thriving design and innovation environment, positioning India as a global leader in electronics manufacturing. By focusing on long-term strategies to develop cutting-edge manufacturing facilities, a secure supply chain and essential intellectual property, the mission aims to fuel sustained innovation in the semiconductor industry. The Indian government has approved projects amounting to 1.5 lakh crore under the India Semiconductor Mission. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated Semicon India 2024, kicking off a three-day event that aims to highlight India's strategy and policy to become a global hub for semiconductor manufacturing and innovation.
भारत के लिए चिप का मतलब सिर्फ टेक्नोलॉजी भर नहीं है, हमारे लिए ये करोड़ों एस्पिरेशंस को पूरा करने का माध्यम है। आज भारत चिप का एक बहुत बड़ा कंज्यूमर है। इसी चिप पर हमने दुनिया का सबसे बेहतरीन डिजिटल पब्लिक इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर बिल्ड किया है। भारत में लास्ट माइल डिलीवरी सुनिश्चित करने में आज ये छोटी सी चिप बड़े-बड़े काम आ रही है।
Ways for collaboration in this critical industry. He also met with CEOs from the semiconductor industry and encouraged them to consider India as a viable location for expansion. The government has given the green light to Kane Semicon Private Limited to establish a semiconductor facility in Sanand, Gujarat, with an investment of 3,300 crores. Besides Kane Semicon, there are currently 5 semiconductor projects approved by the centre, including a chip fabrication plant in Dholera, Gujarat, and 4 chip packaging facilities. 3 packaging units are in Sanand, Gujarat, and 1 is in Moregaon, Assam. The Maharashtra government recently approved a $10 billion proposal for a new semiconductor chip manufacturing facility. India is no longer watching from the sidelines. It is now actively involved in the global semiconductor production industry. With a large electronics market and a skilled workforce, India is a force to reckon with in the global technology scenario.